Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 2. This location is connected with the golf course road. This is also connected with the golf course extension road. We're in the heart of the city in the center location. This is the park facing property. Let's get started with the configuration of the house. This plot size is 180 square yards, which is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the floor plan. Let's get on with the touring. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space of the house, come dining space. On the surface, you will see this is an Italian flooring. Towards my left, there is a provisioning for the air conditioning systems given here. This is a plain wall left empty for your customization. You talk about the ceiling. This is rectangular in size. It's a flow-off going on ceiling, which has a yellow LED recessed strip lights. Above me you see the fans by Orient. This is also connected with the glass window outside, which is a UPVC. This has a slider. This is the balcony of this house, which is shared in common with the first bedroom of the house. On the surface you've got the anti-skid tiles. This is a stainless steel railing and you've got the Miko toughened glasses. We'll showcase you the surroundings in little. थोड़ा सा कैमरा टिल्ट करके एक बारी हमारे ऑडियंस को एक बारी दिखा दीजिए कि किस तरीके की लोकेशन नजर आती है यहाँ पर. This is a park facing property. You've got a trapezoidal shaped park, and that's your golf course extension road. Towards my left you'll see the golf course road. I'll ask my cameraman to showcase this specific location to you. We're bang opposite to the Sushant Tower. So let's get inside to the formal living space once and get going towards the first bedroom of the house now. This is the first bedroom of the house, which has the tiling work on the surface. This is a wooden textured tiles, not the wooden flooring. This is the closet section. This is gonna be the wall where your air conditioning system will be placed. You've got a square shaped ceiling design which has a recessed LED strip lights. Above me you see a small fan. This is again UPVC. This also has a mesh door. This is also connected with the same balcony that we've shown you a couple of few seconds back, so nothing much to showcase out here. Let's get inside to the washroom space and cover it up. This is the washroom space that you'll be sharing in common with the first bedroom, and the powder room stays the same. Idhar se powder room ka darwaza hai. This is the powder room, that's your hallway region. A beautiful vanity by Jaguar. You've got the cabinetries down here, a beautiful glass given for you to see yourself. This is the rain head, wall mount rain head. You've got the wall mount commode seat. That's your towel stand, and that's the place for your exhaust. इसका अभी cover निकला हुआ है. We'll get this equipped. This is a small shaft window which is given here. On the surface you'll see these are all tiles, anti-skid. On the walls you'll see this is a designer tile. This is a granite top given with the vanity out here, a natural stone. Probably once we step outside from the first bedroom, this is the powder room that we've showed you, which is shared in common with the first bedroom of the house. Sanitary fittings इसमें Jaguar का है, गीजर भी दिया हुआ है Crompton का. सारा का सारा designer tiles है. Again, the same stuff. Let's get inside the second bedroom. Before we get inside the second bedroom, there was one thing that I missed upon. You've got the designer fall ceiling. You've got the grouping done on the ceiling design. This is an entrance door. A good quality handle has been given here. This is the second bedroom of the house. You've got the tiling work on the surface. This is the provisioning for the air conditioning system. This is a plain wall given to you for your customization. A closet, a normal square shaped ceiling design with the LED lights. This is the washroom. On the surface you've got the normal tiles, anti-skid. Walls पे आपका designer tiles है. Sanitary fittings Jaguar की है. This is a granite stone on the countertop. For the basin, this is your vanity and that's your mirror. Geyser, सारा का सारा fittings अच्छा हुआ है. And that's your towel stand. A small shaft is given there. This is also connected with the back side of the house. This is the back balcony, which is the smallest that I see here. On the surface you've got the normal anti-skid tiles. That's your tap for the wet area, and you've got the drainage vessel here. That's how the surroundings are going to look like at the back side. Developer has covered it for the safety measure. This is all covered. So this also has a mesh door. There is a mesh door out here for the mosquitoes not to come inside your home. A nice quality door. Don't be astounded once you look at this door. This is a shaft, so you can utilize this as your storeroom. Again, this is the last bedroom of the house. You've got the normal tiling on the surface. That's your wardrobe section, your closet. Square shaped ceiling design with LED recessed strips. Air conditioning का provisioning दिया हुआ है आपको. This is the washroom space. A bowl-shaped pedestal vanity with the natural stone, which is a granite. You've got the mirror in front of you. This is your geyser, wall-mounted commode seat. And I'll ask my cameraman to showcase the sanitary fittings are by Jaguar, rainhead, wall mount, and you've got the towel stand at this side. Since it is a small washroom, so two people cannot be accommodated in one simple go. This is the back side of the house. This is the window which is given to you. This is the back side once again. Nothing much to showcase, as all we have already shown you in general. So let's get inside to the kitchen space. This is where we are at the hallway area. This is finally your kitchen. On the right hand side you place your refrigerator, natural stone, countertop granite which is stain free. This is your sink area, washer's vessel. That's the place where you park your utensils after you wash it and the water drains down automatically. This is the place you will be placing your hob here, chimney this way. And these are some of the cabinet spaces to keep your cutlery, to keep your grains, maybe your tea, sugar, all spices. Cabinet to keep your stock for the groceries. This is again a cabinet space given here, and that's your drainage pipe. This was all about the kitchen. You also have the provisioning for the geyser there. You've got an exhaust fan. Finally, time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching. Anupam Gambhir from Estair Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Keep watching us. Stay tuned. Have a pleasant day ahead. Bye bye.